We are live. Go to Twitch and make sure it's actually there. Yes, it is. Okay, building up strings exercises. Okay, so you scrolled up back to the beginning of this section.
I I thought that's where we were at.
I think we were a
Um,
ways down. Oh no, maybe this is right.
yeah, because
No, we
remember,
did some of this. We
no,
did to add
we did that.
space.
We did this.
I need to move this
Line plus line plus.
webcam. I'm not using it out of my way.
I remember. I remember it was this. It was this I was struggling with.
Okay, let's do that one again then.
Yeah, yeah. Um,
Just
what
out of
happened was,
curiosity, what are we set up to print now? Oh yeah, I had you print R n times.
as an example,
Yeah, exactly.
um, uh, my thought process was just doing print below the. I mean, above this. I wanted to do this, and then I was trying to do like my thought process was do this,
Mm-hmm. Sure.
and then I thought that would have played out. Wait, wait, what did I just do wrong?
You typed world as a
Oh,
variable
okay,
name.
okay. Now
Yep.
I did that last time again, but that wasn't the solution.
Well, it's already registered the solution to that one.
Oh, now I remember. I was trying to solve this,
We
and
eventually did solve that one, it looks like. But let's solve the world box again. The one where the name
oh,
should be the
this one.
box. Not that one. Not this one. We just did this
Uh,
one.
I mean,
Yeah, this one. Let's do this
okay,
one.
okay. Well, my first thought process is about this approach.
Okay, that's a good start.
I just want to see how that looks as I go. Um, but then I now I remember. I didn't solve this. I think you just gave me the answer.
I probably gave you
And
some hints and we like wandered and stumbled into the correct solution. Maybe that's what happened.
okay.
Because
Well,
the web page thinks you got it right.
okay. Mm, let's see. Let's see. Oh, what I do know. Let me get rid of this. What I was thinking of doing is like setting up this expression in hopes to somehow use it to print
Mm-hmm.
out letter line by line. Um, that's gonna be conflicting because I was trying to get the five spaces in between.
Well, you've got 5 spaces stored in Thingy now with the program you've as it's currently written.
Wait, I have to print it.
Uh huh.
Yeah, yeah.
Oops, too
Okay.
many times. Oh no, you do want it
Wait,
that
what?
many times. Sorry, that's right.
Yeah, it does look like a lot more, but I want to associate that with letter by letter. Well, letter twice. I wanted
Mm-hmm.
to duplicate what it's doing, and I think you were trying to set up another value, not a variable, another variable to get that going. I think you were saying something along the lines of that.
At this point, what I think we need is another for loop.
Yeah, now I remember it. That's what I meant. My fault. Um, and I think after for what? Not the variable. Not the variable. Yeah, I have to introduce a new variable as well. I'm pretty.
Well, you need some variable for the loop, definitely.
Obviously, can't be world again. Like that wouldn't make any sense. Or would it?
Would it?
Have 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 the same loop so that way it's looped twice. Um, like create the same loop twice
Hmm.
so that way I can get this kind of duplication look
Yeah.
of you know yeah um
Are you saying you need two loops because there's a W on the left and on the right on line two?
yeah I
That's that logic is a little off.
I've never worked with two loops. Like I've never
Well, you're just doing
I've
one
not,
loop and then you're doing the second loop.
why if you're telling me that's off, I'm
No,
thinking that
I'm there's like a subtle point was off about what you said, not
okay,
the whole thing.
uh,
But
okay,
go ahead and write your
for
for loop.
oh sorry. And I know this doesn't make any sense, but I have nothing else. Um, oh no, yeah. Damn, that doesn't make any sense. That wouldn't make any sense. I just realized that there's even a space before the W.
It,
Like
it kind of looks that way because of the way it's
oh
formatted, but actually there is
oh
no space
oh
before the
okay
W.
that helps. Oh, so I wanted to print a character twice. I mean, like the first character, like yeah, it's doing character by character, but it's doing it twice. Wait, whoa.
Whoa.
But it needs something to attach to.
But why are you storing it into name?
Sorry,
Yeah, let's get rid of that.
why would I use Thingy? Because Thingy already is doing something. Like I'm already doing that. It wouldn't make sense to have it.
Oh, I see. I see the problem you've gotten yourself into. What if you delete line 6 for now?
Yeah, yeah, that wouldn't make sense. Maybe later down the road. Um,
It may
okay.
free you up to find a better approach.
Let me see what's going on here. Okay, okay, because of line 6. Okay, I just want to see an example of what would happen. Um, so I wanted to print the character twice. So I'm thinking I want to use thingy again. No, I wanted to print character by character. Character name. Make it master name. So how do I get it to print out a letter and a space in between? So no, it wouldn't be name.
Yeah, we have line 2 of the output. So the first thing we want is a W. Where can we get that W?
If I use print character, no, not print.
Yeah, that's a good start.
But I mean plus plus character. I
Well, try that.
just want to see what this looks like. Just like oh
Yeah, he's
Like
stealing that
that?
colon.
Ah, ah,
Getting closer.
and then and then I know that's not how it works, but I'm just trying to get a picture in my mind of what it can. Uh, huh. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Obviously, I can just copy and paste this.
Hmm.
I feel like last time, like yesterday, I mean,
Hmm.
I feel like you showed me it, but it was like a lot more complicated. Not a lot more, but it was definitely a different
We
approach, I
took we
feel.
took kind of a convoluted approach to get there, I think, yesterday,
Mm, mm,
but we ended up with something that worked.
hmm. No, well, let me just like give me like 15 seconds to just soak in what I just did.
Okay.
His name was world thingy was em an empty string, I guess. I mean not empty string, but
Yeah,
like
empty string.
what is it? Oh, okay. Empty string. I just told it to a normal print of,
Yep.
plus name plus and then this is where I created my loop. I made sure thingy I changed thingy to be itself um plus um is a space string that's a string literal
Hmm.
of space
Yep.
um and that's where I end up getting my spaces in between. Then I associate with another loop doing print character. I was gonna do one character at a time
Yep.
plus thingy, which is those 5 spaces,
Yep.
and then plus character, which now allows it to loop itself. But like you see how it has spaces even in between, unless I'm crazy. Like you see how it has spaces even like between the W and the O, like right in the middle. Like,
That's just the way the way the typesetting is.
so technically there are no spaces um
Yeah, it's just that the
under.
W takes up some space above and below the white part of the W. Same with the O.
Oh, so that doesn't that was what's messing me up. This whole
Oh,
time,
that's
I
funny.
was thinking that like there was like spaces in between the W and the O. I'm like, how in
Yeah,
the
well,
world
see
do I?
see that when you highlight the O,
Yeah.
all that blue
Mm,
box is part of the O character.
taking from the top. Oh wow. It, yeah. Visually, this like looks so weird to me. Like,
I'm gonna
and that's
make
what
a
makes
note
me.
in the Twitch chat. Note
Is
to
yeah,
self: type setting in the shell is
yeah.
confusing.
Very, very misleading. This whole time thinking there's spaces in between them. Like, and so weird is that I remember I did a loop where it was WORLD, but like they were touching each other.
Interesting.
I swear to you.
Huh.
I
It might
remember
be
I
it
don't
might be an artifact of the zoom.
know. Wait, actually I'm too zoomed in. Wait. No, this is it. This is it. Yeah. Look, it's at 100%. It's regular.
So that looks normal to you.
Yeah. That's normal.
But now when you zoom in, they look too far apart.
No, I mean like no. When it's at 100%, they're still the
Okay.
same distance.
Then I don't know why it was different before.
Yeah.
But
Very
let's stay
misleading.
nice and zoomed in so the people at home can see it more easily.
Wait. I think it was at 150.
Okay.
I think it's 150.
I can see 150 pretty clearly, so I think that's good.
Okay. Okay. So, all right, let's move on. I didn't do this part.
Sweet,
Um,
you're really getting the hang of this. If you want, you can do more optional bonus challenge below. Do one more optional bonus challenge below. I'd say let's do the one more bonus challenge.
yeah. So I think no, honestly, I just need to get rid of this. this up. Change. No, this is still be empty.
Yeah,
Um,
that's right.
thingy. Okay. Thingy equals thingy. Okay, this could be thingy. Wait, I'm so curious. Wait, I know that's not right. I know I'm just really curious on how it's gonna
Hmm.
react to this.
Okay.
But how do I do
You're
it
actually
where
kind of close.
Yeah, yeah, I realize that now. I um so I don't want it to do character instead. Wait. Well, just making sure there's no space behind that W.
Correct.
Okay.
Even though it looks like there is.
Wait. That would make sense. Wait, huh. Is it in the wrong?
You lost the thing where thingy was building on itself.
Hmm.
That's what's wrong
Okay.
here.
So
That's one of
does
the
it
things that's
matter
wrong
where
here.
you're saying?
I said that's one of the things that's wrong here.
Okay. Because like, what if? Because I was thinking I could change the order of how. Because remember, thingy was first. What would happen if thingy was at the end?
That would do something different,
Okay, I see. I see. I see. I see. I see.
which is kind of neat,
Um,
but not quite what we're looking for.
no, definitely interesting look, but no. So it's not about the order. Uh, of how. Well, yeah, yes. Okay, I understand. Wait, I'm gonna bring it back.
Hmm. We need get.
Okay, but there's spaces behind it. Yeah, there are spaces behind it. You can
Yeah,
highlight
there's
it.
one space that we don't want to have there.
So I remember I was doing thingy plus character, right? And then no, it was character plus thingy. Remember it was doing the one. No, it wasn't. What the? Wait. Okay, that's what I was trying to do. Now, how can I achieve it to do the spaces and proceed to expand it? I need to use. th- I need to make thingy expand on itself. Um,
Mm.
and I did it right behind it. That doesn't do it. So instead of printing out, excuse me, because I was thinking it was just a matter of changing the value of thingy. It's just a matter of putting something in here. That's not right.
Well, it is a matter of changing the value of a thingy.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
What happens if I do it? Okay, that's stupid. I don't know why I thought that would do something. Plus, right. We went through that already.
Did we?
I thought we
Not
did.
quite. Not quite like that.
Yeah, no, we did.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I remember we did it like that. So thingy has to be in here.
Yeah, we need
It has
thingy
to
in there
be.
somewhere.
Did I do thingy in the middle? Oh, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see if I do thingy
Here's a
before it.
question: does character have to be on line 4?
Well, it got me that result. So I thought, oh, you mean like if I did, um, wait, okay, okay. So you're saying, um, w- is it possible to have? Wait, wait. Close, but that's
Close, but not quite.
is that'll mess up the whole thing. Huh? The same result.
Yep.
Interesting. All right. Hold up. Bring that back. Okay. Now I wanted knowledge. No, that wouldn't.
Not quite.
Yeah. Wait, all the way around?
There we go.
Really? Ain't no way. Wow. Oh
We're
my
almost
gosh.
there, but there's one
What?
leading space that we don't want.
You mean a stupid yeah, that's not fair. Because wait, 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 wait a minute. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I remember last time if I wasn't like that. No, I'm an idiot. I remember wait, how did I do it again? Was it sorry.
Whoa.
No, that's not I remember like there was a way to make it so
Yeah, I remember the
I
one where
forgot.
we lost the D on world.
Yeah,
It's kind of
like I
like
made it
that.
short. Yeah, and I forgot what I did. No, it was here, I think. Wait, no, I mean no. Obviously, that's not how it works.
Hmm.
Remember, I made it short. Like on the first line. On the first line, it was just a character, and then that's where it started expanding on the loop. Whoa, I didn't know that you could do that. I just learned something new.
Oh,
Um,
interesting.
but something I did to remove that space for the first one. No, it wouldn't. It wouldn't be inside the print. Would it be inside the print? I mean, my lazy way of doing this. No, wait, wait. Let me test something. Hold up. Let me see something real quick. Hold up. Hold up. That one doesn't have a space.
That's correct.
Hmm. How do I imitate that? How do I imitate that without it? Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! What if? What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? Hold up. I did this already. I did this already. Yeah. So just, just doubles the space. For some reason I did it, but without space. So how do I wait? What if I did it like stuff together? Like, that would make sense. Yeah, I did that before. I did
Hmm.
that before. Alright, come on, come on, common sense. Not the order of it. Can I? It's about expanding on the print, making the print. 1 second. What did I do? What did I do?
Yeah, you added the space too soon.
What?
You
You
added
mean
the space too soon.
on this expression?
Hmm.
How's in a different order? Wait, no. What do you mean too soon? What? Like, it,
Look at line
I had.
one and tell me whether you should have added a space before printing thingy plus character. Line one of the output.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So line one of the output. Um, they added a space too soon. How would I change it? Well, when I did character plus thingy, that didn't work.
Right? That's not the solution.
And when I added character to the variable thingy, that didn't work either.
Right? There's got to be something else you can do.
Introduce.
Don't need a new variable.
No. I added, I subtracted. Like, I mean, I took away,
Hmm.
and no, neither of those
Well, let me give
worked.
let me remind you of something from before. It said on that exercise where the D got cut off, it
Uh,
said it might help you to do the print before and after the line that builds up thingy. I'm translating line to thingy because they used line there, but we're using thingy.
do the same. Wait, in no way. So what if? Wait, that I did this already, didn't I? Did that already? That
Wait,
didn't work.
slow down. Go back to how it was and look
Wait,
carefully at the output. You're closer than you
so
think you are.
wait, no. Wouldn't wouldn't that basically be it?
Yep.
Bro,
You just had to
are
swap
you
those two
serious?
lines.
I had it right there.
Hmm.
I just had to get rid of a line.
You had to swap a line. Well, yeah, you had it right
Swap
there. Then you
a
had to get rid of a line. Yeah.
I feel like you were secretly laughing the whole time.
No, I wasn't laughing.
Oh,
Just being
oh my
patient.
God. Okay, okay. Sorry.
It's okay.
All right. I hit next.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what's this?
Basic
Basic
terminology. Oh,
terminology.
yeah, we got some boring theory to do.
Yay.
Yay. So here's some words you need to know. An expression is a piece of code that has a value. For example, in this line of code, sentence equals quote hello space quote plus name. There are three expressions. Quote hello quote, and let's convince ourselves in the shell that if you enter quote hello space quote, it gives a value.
Okay. Wait, so how post? Wait. Oh, you want me to type that out?
Yeah,
The
go in the shell and just type not the editor, the shell. Quote hello space quote. Capital
yeah.
H and a
Hello.
space.
Oh, space quote and capital H.
Yeah. And
Just type it
enter.
in. Yeah, as expected. Yeah.
Yep, it gives you an express excuse me, it gives you a value.
Okay.
Now let's try name. And that gives you a value. Now let's try hello plus name. Quote hello plus name like it is up there.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yep, hello world. Now, by
Just
contrast, the full line sentence equals dot 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 is a statement.
hmm.
It is a command that tells the computer to perform an action. It has no value of its own. That means, for example, that you can't add statements together. Well, let's back up. Type
Hmm.
the full line sentence equals quote hello plus name.
Oh, plus. Oh, you mean like that?
Quote hello quote plus name. Yeah, just like it is up above.
Yeah. Enter.
Yep. Notice that there's
Wait, which
no
is
output because there's no value.
hmm. Mm-hmm.
So it has no value of
Now,
its own. This means, for example,
right.
that you can't add statements together. This code is
Mm,
invalid. So
mm.
let's try typing that invalid code and hitting enter.
I mean the okay.
Parens word equals hello.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if to type the parentheses
Mm.
or not. That's not a space. Right,
Syntax
invalid.
error. Yep.
Which is expected. It said it was invalid.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, specifically a statement like sentence equals dot dot dot, where a variable is given a value is called assignment. The value is assigned to the variable. A program is a list of statements which are executed in order. A for loop is a compound statement, meaning it has a body of its own which contains other statements. Most statements will also contain expressions, and expressions can contain other smaller expressions, but
Hmm.
expressions cannot contain statements.
Hmm.
The process of calculating the value of an expression is called evaluation. Note how it almost contains the word value. The computer evaluates 1 plus 2 to get
Hmm.
the value 3.
Hmm.
The process of executing a loop is called iteration. Code like for char in hello colon is iterating over the string quote hello.
Hmm.
The fact that it's possible means that strings are iterable.
Hmm.
By contrast, numbers are not iterable, which is exactly what Python will tell you if you try for char in 3 colon.
Hmm.
Let's try that one.
Oh, whoops. I have to clear this, right?
No, you don't have to.
Oh, but oh, okay. All right.
We're not using the editor, we're using the shell.
Oh, I didn't know you could type loops in the, huh.
Oh yeah, you can.
I get confused on what's limited to show. Um,
Oh,
limitations.
maybe this shell doesn't have that capability.
Yeah.
Okay, let's write a new program in the editor that has it.
All right. So clear.
Yeah, you can clear that out. Well,
That block.
now it's an indentation error because it expected an
Oh,
indentation block. So let's give it a, no, that's still wrong.
huh? I
Unexpected
just.
indent. It doesn't help. We need to start at 0 indent and then give it an indented line after the colon.
Ah. Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah, well, not that far. Only 4 spaces in.
Oh, sorry, I hit it twice by mistake.
Print char.
Yeah.
We have to put something on that line.
How about how about Bob?
Okay, fine. Um,
Well,
yeah,
make
okay.
it act like.
Let's print char. I think that's more intuitive. Which error is it going to say first? It
Int.
it didn't even notice that character was not defined because it was complaining that int is not iterable.
Hmm.
Notice how you wrote char and then character,
Oh, you mean you? Oh, yeah. I didn't even. Yeah. Sorry.
but
Yeah.
it's still gonna complain about
Yeah.
int object
Yeah.
is not iterable.
That
It's
was
still gonna be that
a
problem.
complete accident.
Yep. Okay. Each run through the loop is one iteration. So in this, oh wait, what? Oh, in the case of hello, there will be in that example there will be 5 iterations.
Hmm.
5 characters, 5 iterations.
But where are you reading this?
Sorry, uh, over to the left, where it said, by
Okay.
contrast, numbers are not iterable, which is exactly what Python will
Okay.
tell you
Okay.
if you try for char in 3 colon.
Okay.
Each run through the loop is one iteration, so in this example, there will be 5 iterations. By that example,
Okay.
they mean the hello example.
Thank you.
All right, next.
Next.
Yep.
Mm,
Introducing if statements.
hmm,
Now we're going to learn how to tell the computer to make decisions
hmm,
and only run code under certain conditions.
hmm,
For this, we will need a new type of value. You've seen numbers and strings. Now meet Booleans.
Booleans.
Yep.
Whoa,
There are
that's
only
different.
two Boolean values, true and false. Try this program.
Yeah, why is mine purple and theirs blue? Oh,
It's different syntax highlighting. Although
so
I should
explode.
mention that different color syntax, SYNTX highlighting is confusing. Note to
Maybe
self.
when I become a true coder, I'll be able to have blue text.
Or maybe when you're a true coder, you'll be able to contribute to this project and make it so that their colors are consistent.
Dude, might as well.
Uh-huh. All right, let's run it. I don't know why BO is there.
Wait, who?
Why is the letters BO present in the shell? Did you type those?
Oh, that was me from when I was trying to type out Bob
Oh,
when I was trying
okay.
to do that invalid
Weird.
loop.
Okay.
Yeah. um,
Booleans are meant to be used inside if statements, sometimes called conditionals. Here's a simple example for you to run, and we can enter this new example.
I don't have to erase this, right? I mean, I'm gonna need it. Okay.
Uh, you can erase what's in the editor now.
Okay. Oops. Okay. Wait, what the heck? Why is my whole thing not highlighted just like theirs?
That's a good question.
I feel I don't know. I feel excluded right now.
I'll keep going. We'll come back to it.
Okay. It did that right. Didn't mean to do that. Oops. Does it matter to have that gap between them?
It looks nice.
Okay, oh, it's an aesthetic reason. Okay.
This time it did give you a fancy color.
Yeah, I'm so confused.
Yeah, well, let's run it and see.
Oh, okay, I get it. Okay. That's so weird. I have to do that?
Capital T, yep. In Python, you need a capital T.
Huh. Okay. This does not. Okay. Run.
Yep.
That's true. This is pretty. So what decided it was true?
The fact that you typed true,
Mm. So so how do I cause it to be a false?
you type false.
But I never I gave it the rules. I
Yeah.
never typed true or false. Like I never after
We'll come
typed
back to your
true.
question. Let's go on because I think
Okay.
it'll make more
Okay.
sense
Okay.
after we see more
Okay.
examples.
So all
Note
right. All
how
right.
the code inside the first if statement ran, but not the second.
Mm.
In general, an if statement looks like this: if condition body, where condition is any expression which evaluates to a Boolean. So let's talk about evaluating to a Boolean. Go to the shell
Mm. Mm.
and type capital T true. That evaluates to true. Type false. That evaluates to false.
Mm.
Now, do you see why line 2 printed and line 5 did not?
No, I still don't understand how it automatically became a true if I never gave it I never typed true after setting the rules.
On line 1, you typed true.
Right.
Let's keep
And
going.
if it's
We'll come to it.
okay.
Where condition is any expression which evaluates to a Boolean, and body is an indented list of one or more statements. The structure is quite similar to a for loop. Note the colon, which is essential. When the computer sees if condition, it checks if condition is true. So on line 1, it saw if condition, and condition happened to be true. So if true means it happened. It means line 2 happens.
Okay. Well,
Okay,
body.
if condition is true, if it is, it runs the body. If not, it skips it and continues to the rest of the program.
Okay.
Here's a more interesting example for you to run.
Mm.
So let's enter the new example.
Mhm.
Sentence equals hello world.
Why is it doing that? Okay. That is so weird. Remember how you had me capitalize like after the if it had to be a capital?
True had
How
to
come
be a
it's not?
capital. The variable name does not have to be a capital.
Okay. Oh, now it makes me use the plus equals.
Yep. Callback.
Hmm. Okay. Oh, I like this trivia. Okay. Hello world. Excited equals true. If excited is plus equals hello world. This.
Okay.
Yeah. But excuse me. Yeah. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
Remember
Yeah. This
that
this definitely. Go
this
on.
what?
I'm sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
I could tell this little section here
Uh-huh.
is gonna take a while to marinate
Okay.
because this is a complete game changer to me with these conditions.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what put that out there.
All right. Remember that sentence plus equals exclamation point means sentence equals sentence plus exclamation point.
Hmm.
Change excited equals true to excited equals false and run the program again to see what the difference is.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I was just. It's funny enough. I was just about to ask about that.
What?
What?
Cannot assign to true at line 2.
So that's to say, true can't be a variable.
Yeah.
Okay.
True is its own special thing. But what they
Right.
said is change excited equals true to
Oh.
excited
Okay.
equal false.
I'm sorry. I'm
There
sorry.
we go. That's better.
No. Well, even then, I kind of answered that question. What is false? Not. It's its own special thing.
Well, false is its own special thing. That much is true.
So how come if it was true, if I use true in its place of false, it'd be an error. So why shouldn't it be the same exact thing for false, given that's its own special thing?
What?
You
Change
you,
it
you see
change it
how
back
I?
to true on line 2 and see what happens.
Oh wait, I think
Oh,
it's blocking
we
me
can't
because
run it. It's locking
yeah,
me. Yeah, you have to keep
okay,
guessing until you find the right answer.
yeah, I understood that part, but I don't understand why it's going through. Like, okay,
What do you mean?
remember this?
Yeah, okay.
Mhm.
Hello
Oh,
world
I
exclamation
thought
point.
no, I meant okay, okay. Now I understand. I'm sorry, bro. I'm
Long
sorry.
week.
It's been a long day. Now I understand. Now I understand why it works. Um, for some reason I thought I was. Don't worry about it. I got it. I'm
Okay.
rushing ahead of myself. But I got it. Um, where are we? Time.
Time for an exercise. Modify the program above to include an extra Boolean parameter confused. So the program should start like this. Sentence equals hello world, excited equals false, confused equals true.
Can I instead put very confused?
No, it
No.
has to be confused for the autograder.
Okay. That's how I'm feeling.
Okay.
All right. I think it's gonna take the the false
Well,
first.
wait, there are some more instructions that we haven't read yet.
Hmm.
It
Okay.
says sentence can be any string, and the two booleans can either be true or false. When confused is true, the printed sentence should have a question mark added to the end. If both confused and excited are true, the sentence should end with exclamation mark question point. Wait, I mixed that up, but I think you get it. I think you
But
heard what we're trying to do.
shouldn't I mean I should be making if confused?
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Okay. I'm surprised it's not directly telling me that though.
It's making you got to make that leap for yourself, or at least that
Hmm.
step. that logical
Okay.
step.
Wait, wait, what am I doing? Ooh, what is it's a struggle? All right, and then print sentence, and I guess, and then also I have to put. But how do I? Oh, it's gonna do that itself if
Yeah.
it's true and false.
Yep.
Okay.
Well done. Let's try it the 4 different ways. It says the program can do 4 different things depending on how you combine excited and confused. Try them
Mhm.
out if you want. Yes, let's try them out.
Come. Okay. How would I change? Um, I guess I could swap excited with confused.
No, just change them on lines 2 and 3.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What?
Oh,
Oh, I see what you're doing. You're swapping them that way. Okay.
yeah. I thought that's what one of the things they wanted me to do.
Well, it works.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong
Name
here?
confused is not defined.
Oh,
Confuse.
sorry. As you can see, I was confused.
Yeah. What if they were both
Okay.
true? Does it still work?
Huh? But which one would it pick? Which? Oh, it would do both at the same time.
We'll do both one after the other.
Oh, one after the other. Okay.
But by the time it prints it, they will have both happened.
Okay. Okay. Noted. Something important to
And
note.
and what if they were
All right.
both false?
Now, that's an interesting question. Well, I still think it's gonna do both because there's no true option, so it has to default to doing false, right?
So what'll happen?
It'll still do both
Try it.
because by default it's gonna wait. Confused.
Confused. Darn.
Yeah. Um. How how does it? It doesn't have a true option. It doesn't have the option of what will it do if true. So why is it not defaulting to false?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay. So we have two conditions if false. I thought the only way it could pick any other condition besides false is if I gave it the condition for true. Like
That's
if
correct.
it was true. Hmm?
Well, let's look at line 4. What happens on line 4? It says if excited, and it looks at the value of excited, and it says if false. And the rules to evaluate an if statement are if the value of the expression after if is true, then you execute the body of the conditional statement. But if the value of the variable after the if is false, then you do not execute the body. Those are the rules.
But my whole understanding was there has to be a true and there has to be a false
No,
condition.
no. It says sentence can be any string, and the 2 booleans can be either true or false. Independently, they can be both true or they can be both false, or one can be true and one can be false. Those are all
Oh,
possible options.
so what confuses me is how does it decide if true or false? I understand I can
You
set the
just gave it false.
conditions.
This time we just gave it false. Let's try something else. Delete this program.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, because yeah. Okay.
Write if 2
Two?
number 2
Oh, okay.
equals 2 equal signs next to each other
Huh.
equals 2.
You, like that?
Yep.
Oh,
Set colon
oh, like that?
a normal colon,
Oh, okay.
but no space between the 2 and the colon.
Oh, that? No, wait, wait.
Delete the
Wait.
space
Use space.
and type a colon.
Okay.
There you go. Now a new line.
We're trying to do it. Okay.
Print, I don't know, some string.
Uh, How about Bob? Since we keep
Yeah,
talking
Bob
about
is
Bob.
good.
Yep.
All right, run this and see what happens.
That'll be it.
Now
What?
do if 2 equals 3 and see what happens.
On a new line or
Same right there. Now try that.
what?
Does
Just
that
happened?
does that help you understand what's going on?
No, that actually made me even more confused.
Oh no.
I-
Oh
I-
no.
Instead, instead of you introduced me to a different concept now. We're using integers instead of true and false.
Okay, I'm sorry I did that. That didn't help. Erase this program.
Okay.
Um let me think. How are we going to do this? Well, type if true
Okay. Yeah.
colon new line print quote the body executes when the condition is true.
Let's see.
Title
Right,
case, I
yeah.
like it. Okay, run that.
All right.
Now change true to false and change executes to does not execute.
Wait, wait.
So the body does not execute.
True or false?
Oh, when the condition is false. Yeah, good catch. Now run this. Okay.
Nothing.
Does that help?
No, my problem isn't what it does
Okay.
when it's true, what it does when it's false.
Okay.
My question is, I understand I'm setting the rules. How is it making its judgment?
You're not setting the rules. The computer is setting the rules.
Wait, what? What do you mean I'm not setting the rules? I'm setting up the conditions for what it will do in the event that it's true or false. Am I not?
You're setting up the code that will execute if the condition is true.
Okay. So where are these rules?
They're written in the
Um,
computer somewhere.
and that's what's confusing me.
Uh-huh.
Like, so when we did that, if integer two equals 2,
Mhm.
is it basing that on what it already knows eh, that 2 equals itself? That, like it's using basic math.
It does the basic math, it does a comparison, and the comparison executes to true, and then the value of the condition is true, so the body of the conditional statement executes.
And that's what was confusing me.
Okay?
Like this whole time, I'm like, how is it deciding, eh, is it true or false? Is it like a 50-50 thing?
It's
Like
not it's not
that's what
random.
was
It's very
it's
much
not right.
not
That's what
random.
was confusing me. It wasn't explaining this in this lesson.
Mhm.
I mean, maybe it did. Maybe it did in its own complicated way,
Maybe.
but it was only telling me like what it will do in the event that it is true,
Uh-huh.
what it would do in the event that it's false.
Yeah.
I can control what it does
Yeah.
after it makes its decision. But I didn't know how it was making its decision.
It makes its decision based on the value of the condition.
Okay.
And you
So
give it the value of the condition.
like this is gonna be a lot. This is gonna be a lot. You know what? Even better.
Yeah, use
Okay,
their
so
example. That's a
this.
more simple example. That's better.
Yeah. So this, if true, print this gets printed.
Yep.
If false, print this does not.
Mm-hmm.
How did it reach its decision that it was true, and that's why I had to start printing. I mean, printing that.
On line 1, someone typed true.
Okay.
That's That's all there is.
If true, print this gets printed. If false, print this does not. So it looks at this first, and automatically it's true that yes, I can print this. Like
Yeah.
this is correct.
Think of it like a light switch.
Mm,
If it's true, if the thing that comes after if is true, that's
mm.
flipping on the light switch.
Okay.
If the thing after if is false, that's flipping off the light switch.
Okay.
And
So-
you can either type the values true or false, or you can write a more complicated expression that eventually evaluates to true or false.
No, it doesn't let me do that. I have to do it like this. Wait, how do I get the key?
Star.
How the heck do it? Start, yeah.
Because x is a good variable name. So you can't, so we're not allowed to use it for multiplication.
Okay, okay. If 2 times 3, well, but I have to do equal
Double equals, yeah, for a comparison.
equals 6.
Okay. Print math works. Nice.
Just to be funny.
Good.
All right, and then I guess space just make it look nice. If false, print. Get a calculator. I don't know. Okay. Now wait, did I just? Yeah, I just what I
Did you?
said.
I was gonna
I
say,
like how it
did
lets you know that you over indented.
did you intend to
Uh,
have line 4 be indented?
oh shoot. Right. I unintentionally did that.
Okay, that's okay.
Print. Okay. Math works. Then gets a calculator. I think I typed it out right.
Is there a high? Yeah,
Okay.
math
Math
works well.
works.
That's good. Is there a highlight button here? I want
So
to do a
now
highlight.
I understand. If it doesn't have any pre-existing explanation on how to get this answer, it bases off its own knowledge, its pre-existing knowledge, which is Python does really good math,
Mhm,
and it's doing the math and seeing if what I gave it, like if its if statement for true
mhm.
is correct.
Is
Um,
true.
yeah, if it's true,
Mhm,
and that's where I'm letting it know if hey, hey, if this is right, I want you to do this.
mhm,
If it's not, I want you to do this.
mhm.
So if it was like 2 times 5, it would say, "Eh, what?
Now line 2 does not execute.
But why is it not doing this?
Tell me why you think it should do that.
Well, I said if it's not true to print, get a calculator. I straight up told it
Oh,
if it's
you're
true.
like connecting the two. No, they're totally separate.
What? What? What do you mean they're totally separate?
Delete lines 1 and 2, or cut them because we'll want to bring them back.
All right.
Now run it.
Excuse me.
Yeah, you can clean it up like that if you want to. Run this
Uh, run this. Oh,
just
just
like
run
this,
right.
and
What?
it doesn't output anything.
How do you connect them?
You don't connect them. They're separate statements.
Oh, what the?
It's just that
Eh,
it's two sides of the coin. It's two related examples, but that doesn't mean that they're connected to each other in the way that they work.
Wait, then what's the point of me putting up false? Like, what was the whole point of this example if they're not connected?
Well, it's those are the two possibilities. They wanted to give you one example for each possibility.
All that did was make me more confused.
That's
Like,
unfortunate.
all right, okay, wow,
Wow, that was a challenging bit of material.
yeah,
So here's what's
I
up.
feel
It's been 1 hour.
really
It really has. Yeah, the session has been
okay.
going for 1 hour and 3 seconds.
Okay,
We could
I'm so
stop here,
sorry.
or we could do something fun, something that I think would be fun. I don't know if you would think
No,
it's fun.
I think we can stop here. Um, yeah, we'll stop here because I was getting frustrated because I do feel like the teaching could be a little bit better on this website. No offense. I
Well,
feel
it's
like
not my website, so I'm not offended.
okay, because I feel so conflicted because there's moments where like the examples actually make me more confused than I already was, and then like you noticed before when I was typing out the um the true statement or I mean the conditions, um the color of the text is not the same, so it makes me think that hey, am I typing this wrong?
Yeah, that's an
Um,
unfortunate thing. I did make a note to myself about that in the Twitch chat.
right, and on top of that, how it displayed both of them, making it seem like they coexist with each other, but like you said, they're two different sides of the coin.
Yeah,
Like this does its own thing, this does its own thing.
yeah,
It doesn't work together.
hmm
And that threw me off. And this whole
hmm
time I'm thinking, how is it reaching this verdict of, hey, this is true, this is false? Is it because of how I typed it in order? That's why I was thinking it was doing the true statement first. In reality, it's using its pre-existing knowledge as a computer, like doing its math to see like, hey, can I do this? Okay, I can do this. All right, this is a condition of what I do. My the body of text that I execute when if this is correct. Like I was wondering like where is it getting this? Like is it just 50-50 chance? Like just flipping a coin deciding if it can do it or not? Like
hmm
it was stuff like that that was throwing me off. But luckily, you helped really clarify like what the heck was going on.
hmm
Um but yeah, I appreciate you being patient with me.
Yep. Before you bounce, let me tell you what I had in mind, and you can decide whether it
Oh yeah,
sounds
yeah.
like something fun to you, like whether it sounds like something you want to do.
Yeah.
I was working on a program this morning
Mhm.
that builds a website,
Huh.
and the way it works is you write code in an outline document outliner,
Hmm.
so like just like an outline, so you can tab and anyway, it's like a user friendly thing for what I'm not describing this well.
Hmm.
But basically, I can write where I like to write,
Hmm.
and then run a Python program, and end up with a fully built website with links to YouTube videos and questions and answers for the students to go through.
Wait, so you're helping people create a website centered around students that want to learn how to use Python?
Yeah.
Uh, that's wow. That you might as well just make the website yourself and have it centered be, I mean, have it be centered around helping people learning Python because you made it. eh, um, you just created something to help someone else create something that you could have done yourself to help students wanting to learn Python.
So
You get
I
what I'm saying?
yeah, I was using it, so I started building it because
Excuse me.
I wanted to make an interactive lesson about Hello World, a musical Hello World code in Python.
Okay. Okay.
And I was just going to make like a video lesson about it. But then I realized some students might have a question here, but some students might not.
Mhm.
So I want them to be able to choose whether they watch the extra content or skip on to the next main section of the lesson.
Um, I think more is better. Rather have too much than too little. That's not my thought process.
But people stop
I
watching
feel
if things are too long.
I feel like already you're not gonna have. I mean, there's not a lot of people that know this stuff. Um, I can confidently say that.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I can. Oh no, I can more than confidently say that because a lot of people don't have that patience. So that small group that you may attract already has to go through a lot just trying to understand the surface of this. So I feel very confident that they should have the patience to watch a long video. Rome wasn't built in a day. I know it's cliche, but I if they should understand what it takes to learn this stuff. So if they don't have an hour to spend to learn extensively how to do this, I think they just didn't have a chance at all with this. When
Counterpoint:
we're, oh,
if they watch a video for 1 hour, even if they're totally committed, I'm going to spend this whole hour goes into learning, that's passive consumption of information. Whereas with the thing I'm designing, they watch a little bit of content and then they get to think about, like, did I understand that or not? And then they take the action to watch the extra material if they need it. And
mm,
it loops them in so they're participating.
hmm. You're like feeding them little nibbles
Yeah.
of food. You
Feeding
know,
them little nibbles
like
of food and then saying, like, how hungry are you? And then they can decide
yeah,
how hungry they are.
huh?
Let me show you this
It,
thing. Let me show you how it
yeah.
looks.
Okay.
You got time?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
time.
So it's going to take me just a moment
Wait, did the stream end?
the stream's still going.
Oh.
But let me take your screen off of the stream in one real quick.
Yeah.
Oops, wrong button. Okay, ping screen share is gone. I'm going to turn on my Mac screen share. Oops. Yeah,
Excuse me.
studio mode is not activated. That's good
Let
because
me
studio mode
turn
sometimes
on
confuses me.
virtual camera.
But right now I want studio mode.
Hmm.
So I can turn on HDMI USB. Oops, where's my Mac mouse? There it is. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to do something so you can see this in real time.
Yeah. We're good.
So what I'm gonna do is start virtual camera, and then I'm gonna go to my ping room, and for my camera, I'm gonna choose the OBS virtual cam and I'm gonna turn it on.
See.
So you should now be able to see a picture of me.
Choose your.
Choose your own
Wait.
lesson.
Wait. Why are we doing it like that?
Bec- because I want you to see what I'm doing and what I'm showing from my screen.
Okay. Wait. No, I meant why is it crossed out? Why is um adventure crossed out?
Because it's not choose your own adventure, it's choose your own lesson.
So why not just say choose your own lesson? Why add that graphic?
Because because I was inspired by those choose your own adventure books. So
Uh.
let me show you what I have.
Okay.
I have this is
Screen.
how I wrote the lesson.
Mhm.
So
Wait. Title. Welcome to learn
let me make it a
Python
little
by
bigger for you.
making music. Hello. Wait, I can make music with Python?
Yeah.
Holy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Huh.
That's the thing I do.
Huh. Huh.
So check this out. Video title is blank because it's going to be the same as this title. Video URL, I haven't made the video yet, so there's no URL, but just pretend that
Mm-hmm.
there is. Video script. This is what I'm going to say when I record the video.
Okay.
And then I ask the viewer, do you have any questions?
Okay.
And the viewer or the student can say, why would I want to learn Python by making music?
Hmm.
And then there's a page on why you might want to learn Python by making music with a video title, URL, script, and then it says, do you have any additional questions? Do you see do you kind of see where this is going?
Um. Why do we have? Do you have any additional questions when you already asked? Do you have any questions?
Let me show you. Let me show you the final product. That'll help you
Okay.
understand that. Let me go back. Software setup installation. Okay, welcome to Learn Python by Making Music. Hello World. So
Okay.
here's where the video would go, where I would say what I wrote in the script.
Okay.
And let's make this bigger. And it says, do you have any questions? It says, why would you want to learn Python? Why would I want to learn Python by making music? What is choose your own lesson? What is Python? What will be the main focus of this lesson? What prior knowledge or experience do we need for this lesson? Are we going to use any specific libraries or tools in Python to create music? If so, will you guide us through the installation process? Or, I have no questions, take me to the next Anchor video software setup.
Why not? I feel like your hyperlinks are way too long. I
Like
feel
the titles are
like
too long?
yeah, that's what you call it, a hyperlink, right?
Yeah, it's a hyperlink.
Yeah. Okay.
Like,
So like
should it just say click here?
yeah, like if anything, just make that a part of like you see why you might want to learn Python by making music. Like that's unnecessary because you've already asked the question. So just make either make that entire question the hyperlink or just do a click here right under the why would I want to learn Python by making music? You
Okay,
see what I'm
well, you
saying?
know
Like,
what? You get to see code in action. You get
oh,
to see me. You get to see
oh,
what you
that's a
get to
lot.
see what it looks like to see someone coding. Check get status. We
Get
got to add
status.
get dot get commit dash m work in progress. Now I go to the main, and you said that here it should just say click here because these things are too
No, I mean
long.
honestly, shoot, my other suggestion I honestly think is better if you just made that whole thing a hyperlink. Why would I want to learn Python by making music? And make that whole thing a hyperlink.
Okay, I could do that too.
Yeah, because
So
like the whole time I'm looking, I'm like, my guy, this is kind of like too lengthy. Like it's kind of like overwhelming.
let's see. Where is there's page.md. So question string lives in main.py.
Mm,
So I'm gonna go and um, go to where I do the questions.
wait,
I know this is moving fast, but just kind of
yeah,
enjoy
sure.
it if you can.
What program is this?
This is PyCharm.
Wait, what?
PyCharm.
PyCharm. Huh.
So I just make that simple little change, just like that. Then I go to here and I do that command. And then I go back here and it looks like this.
Oh, well, how did you change all of them so fast?
Magic.
Whoa.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I'm thinking you're gonna have to do this for each individual one, and yet
No.
Python is incredible.
Yeah. And now I've got
Wow.
a whole website with like multiple links. Oh,
Wait, 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 wait,
question for
wait,
viewer shouldn't be here.
wait, 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 wait. Stop, stop, stop. Why would I want to learn Python amazing music? Why you might want to learn Python? You didn't get rid of the
Should I get should I get rid of this part?
yeah, yes,
Okay, I
yes.
can do that too. Wait, let me just git add dot git commit dash m work in progress 2. Okay, so we'll just delete this part. I didn't mean I ran main, but actually what I need to do is go to terminal and do Python press pelican. I should be doing git in a separate terminal. Processed. It made 21 articles. It made 21 web pages, just like that.
Wait, fixed? Ooh, I like that. That is a lot better. But is there a way to change the color of the hyperlink?
Yes. Also,
I'm not gonna lie to you.
it should make the it should I would like it better if it remembered which hyper if it like showed a different color based on which hyperlinks I had already clicked.
Mm,
And the way to do this is I need to choose a different Pelican theme.
mm.
Basic
Yeah,
non-blog.
that would be a phenomenal change for your more dedicated learners.
Okay.
Is it?
There's a community managed repository of Pelican themes. Okay, but how do I choose one? Because there's like a lot of them. Oh, here we go. PelicanThemes.com. We'll go there. Application error. Oh, their preview is busted. That's unfortunate.
Ah man, GitHub. It's a cheat code for good coders.
Well, it's not a GitHub problem. It's a whole other problem.
Oh.
Um, gosh, I have no idea which. Oh, monospace. That looks simple. How do I? Yeah, this looks good. Here's a screenshot for your building pressure. If you're using
Th- th-
Markdown, you
th-
will need to include the following option in your settings file to enable syntax highlighting. I don't know
Does it
whether I
ever
need
feel
that.
like it's cheating
What's
when
cheating?
you're using coding from GitHub?
That's not cheating. That's open source, baby.
Yeah. That's fair. That's fair.
So how do I choose one of these things? Using themes. These instructions assume you have already read all the Pelican documentation, have a working site, and would like to apply a non-default theme. First, choose a location to hold your themes. For this example, we use user/Pelican themes, but yours could be different. Choose the Pelican themes repository. Clone the Pelican themes repository to that location on your machine. That'll work. Okay. So I go back to PyCharm, go to a terminal, git clone dash dash recursive Pelican themes to Pelican themes. So it's now going to download all that code to my machine. And it's going to take a
Hmm.
little while because there's kind of a lot of themes.
Wait. How is it retrieving um that GitHub without you actually downloading?
Git is a
It?
program that can download code without using a web browser.
Whoa. Oh, huh.
So like if I didn't have Git, I'd have to click through like hundreds of web pages to download all these. But instead
Holy
it's just zip zip zip. It's doing them all.
GitHub is like not GitHub. Python. I keep getting the vibes of Python is like Google's search engine. Um, like the
How do
way
you
the way
mean?
you pull things. It just seems like you have an infinite source of like information,
It's more like a
just
Swiss
like
Army
Google.
knife.
Yes. That sounds better. Yeah.
So what was the name of this monospace that I thought I liked?
I don't know why, but like the
It's
red
called monospace.
color for the hyperlink,
It's just not a good
it just
color.
seems so. Yeah, it just seems so violent to me,
All
and
right,
I
well we're gonna use a different one.
yeah. But I would even be able to tell you what's a better color. I just know red just seems violent.
Hmm. Theme equals, and I need to think about where this thing lives. So let's
Maybe
go to
blue.
another terminal.
Maybe like a baby blue. Maybe.
Users Eric, but not workspace. Users Eric, Pelican themes, because that's where Pelican themes is where I downloaded all that stuff too. It's still going. It might take it a while, but let's if we're lucky, it has already downloaded the one I want.
So what's the maximum amount of memory Python can handle? Is that dependent on my computer?
It probably depends on your machine.
Okay. So could you say coding could be very uh how do I say it? Um very intensive on my computer if I
Depends
really
on
got deep.
depends on what you're coding.
Okay.
But you can get a lot done without being intensive on your computer. And if you really need some beef, you can
Huh.
you can get a cloud server.
A cloud server. Wait, let me look that up.
Be careful though, because it's easy to spend a lot of money in the cloud.
Really? So how would I know I have enough um like wait, I have to even understand what is the cloud.
Yeah, don't worry about the cloud for now.
Holy smokes. Up to $1,000 per month?
$1,000 per
Yeah.
month for what?
To wait, let me see.
What
Because
the
it
heck?
said $1,000 per month, um,
Oh, it's probably
depending on the provider.
users. Wait a second. I did this wrong. I got confused.
Yeah, this is what it said.
User. Okay, it's users, Eric. Home is for. Oops.
'Cause-
It's kind of annoying that they downloaded every single theme when I really only needed.
Oh, you can't pick?
I probably could have used a different command to pick which ones I wanted and only have those, but
I'm surprised you're not able to like just copy and paste the path like to that file.
well, I didn't know which theme I wanted, so I just downloaded them all.
Okay.
Uh, it's called Python and Pelican. Okay, and now we should have a totally different look
Let's
if I can
see.
find it. Oh, it's still red. That's annoying.
Yeah, it's like a bloody red. It's like it's like someone was murdered and all their blood just
So why
splattered
is it
on those
red, and
text.
where can I change that?
What's the whole point to entering your time zone?
Servers like to know what time it is.
Really? Hmm.
Let's try another theme. Using themes. How about sneaky idea? Sure.
It sounds fairly sneaky.
Oops, I need to go this way. Sneaky idea. Python plus Pelican. There goes 21 articles. Go back to my. There it is. We still got that red color. Why is it red?
I guess we'll never know.
Why are all the links red?
Why is the Louisiana State flag bleeding?
Pelican is a great choice for Python users who want to self-host a simple website or blog. That's what I want to do. Okay, how do I choose my color? Besides theme colors without options, it's really easy if you new themes. You can preview many of the Pelican themes. I don't think I can because that website was busted. Yeah, someone's not paying their Heroku bill. Let's try Blue
Blue
Idea.
sounds so nice. That's literally the blue I want. Please.
Could not find
Please.
theme. That's annoying. Uses Craig, Temp, Pelican themes. Let's try Blue Idea. Maybe I have to. Ah, this is getting
Uh,
annoying. We got all these broken pages. Okay, let's try a Pelican theme with blue.
there's a coder out there who's literally doesn't know anything about coding and just copy and paste what they find on GitHub.
Oh, there's lots of coders like that.
Huh.
How do I get
Is
this
there a
thing
way
here?
to look up plagiarism with someone's coding?
Um, maybe?
Maybe? Hmm. Just curious. I feel like a lot of coders would get exposed.
So now I'm
Why don't you
doing
get
git clone,
Mhm.
cloning into Pelican Blue, cd Pelican Blue, print working directory. And that's the directory for my theme now.
Mhm.
And then I go back to my Python plus pelican.sh. There we go.
Yes! It
Category.
looks so much better. It's so easy on the eyes.
And what happens when I click on this? Does it remember that I've clicked it?
Wait, it went back to red?
Yeah, it was well the page was cached, but when I did a reload, it did a hard reload and it looked up the actual new version of the file. So it's unfortunate that these things aren't changing color when you've already clicked on them.
Right.
But people
What
just
color
have
do you even want it to change to?
like kind of purple.
Yeah, yeah, I can see that. Yeah,
Because then it's visibly obvious which ones you have and haven't seen yet.
right. Well,
This looks
hey, that means
so
they'll
much better.
spend more time on your site trying to find where they were
Yeah, there you
or
go.
where they. Yeah, see, so it plays out. Oh, it's spelled P-Y, pie charm. Interesting.
Uh oh, this program.
Uh, Yeah, this program.
It's yeah, PY charm.
Huh. Yeah, that's definitely a lot. You know what I don't understand? You see that
I didn't mute
I
you, did
guess you
I?
call it a caution sign
Okay.
where it's like a triangle and it's an exclamation mark. Run it a little bit lower. Oh, you just walked past. You just went right past
Oh,
it.
there. Yeah,
Right there. Yep,
warnings.
yep. Are those errors?
Those are warnings. Well, it says project errors, but
Okay.
they're just
But
warnings. They're
oh, so
they're
they really don't
problems.
matter. Um.
Like here, it's complaining because there should be a space here.
uh, but you could care less as long as
I
it
don't.
functions.
Yeah, I don't care that much. Wait,
Okay.
what else is it complaining about? No new line at end of file. Okay, I'll fix that too. Typo in Word site URL. If I really cared, I could say add it to dictionary, but I'm not going to do that.
Yeah. So, so if it functions, I mean, these minor errors, like how would anyone even notice?
How would anyone even notice that there's those
Yeah,
minor problems?
yeah.
Well, no one would
I,
notice, but the IDE does it for you.
okay. Hmm. Well, I think I've done enough thinking today. I'm just gonna mindlessly play video games.
Okay.
Yeah. Um, but definitely tomorrow, no, same time. 6 o'clock though.
Okay.
Really? Honestly, shoot. I mean, if you're, I'm off tomorrow.
Why are
I
these
mean,
things
if
all
you're
here?
up earlier, if you're up early at all, we could definitely do it early, whatever works for you.
Look at this old school YouTube logo.
Sheesh. I don't think I was around. No, I'm lying. I'm lying. I think that was like
I feel like this theme needs
2000,
some
like early
updating.
2000s. No?
I don't even know.
Shoot. How did you even get that old logo?
Someone built it into the theme that I found on the internet.
Huh. That shows you how outdated it is.
Yeah. I may look for a new theme, but in the meantime,
Okay.
people can find my YouTube channel from this place.
Huh. No, I like it. I like it. I like it. Wait, can you go back? I have to.
Back
There's
here?
something else on the YouTube link. Uh,
Oh yeah.
on your channel. I mean, I'm sorry,
Yeah.
your channel. So usually, what I notice a lot of like major YouTube channels do, they have like a video that kind of like is a trailer
Yeah, I
to
should
their
do
channel.
that.
Yeah, I think that's really appealing because they'll click on your page, I mean your channel, and then they'll see this huge array of all this information, be like, what do I pick? What do I pick? What do I pick? And then they might feel overwhelmed. Versus if they have like they click your YouTube channel and they see a big video, which is your highlight, kind of like, preview to
Hmm.
what you do. And that can kind of help them,
That would help
be
them. But
like,
how do
oh,
I go
okay.
about deciding what to put on that video?
Shh, give me a day or two on that one.
Okay.
Um,
Sure.
yeah, my idea was just to introduce the idea.
Yeah, you
Uh,
handed off the idea and now it's my job to run with it.
yeah, yeah, no, I could definitely contemplate more on that. Yeah, to give me a minute on that one for sure. I'm just kind of like, how do I put it? I'm drained. I'm absolutely drained.
You know what?
Um,
Some people say Sunday is the day of rest. Maybe we should take a day off tomorrow.
Honestly, I couldn't do it because I technically already have a day off because I'm not
Okay.
working.
Okay, we'll
Um,
do it tomorrow.
yeah.
We'll go for it.
Yeah, I'm drained because of work, not because of what you were helping me
Okay.
with. Yeah, I appreciate it though. Yep. All right, see you, man.
See you
Appreciate it.
around. Thanks for doing this.
No problem.
Okay, what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna play with my. I should make the. I want to make the videos for these. Software setup. Watch this video. All right, viewers, time for you to come through and tell me what to do. Oh, why doesn't it have a next one? Oh, because I haven't filled out that in the source data yet. Why are these tags here? Oh, it doesn't have any tags, and these are sharing links. I don't want sharing links. Maybe I can find a different Pelican theme. Maybe maybe I just go into the CSS for this one. Page.html. Let's dig into this template. cd slash did I seriously just put it in my home directory? Actually, here we go. We're already in the directory. Users Eric Pelican Blue. Sure, whatever. Um, let's look at this. CD static. This is a little bit silly using Vim in the terminal inside of PyCharm, but whatever. Vim pigments.css. Whoa, we got a lot going on here. Highlight -nl-py. Okay, that's not helpful. Vim style.css. HTML. Here's where I can make the links go the color I want. .title. Let's look for A. Or is it .a? Darn it. Dot .a, enter, next. Wait, what? Search for .a. Darn it, I don't know how to use Vim. It appears to me. So /.a, let's go. Oh, that's weird. Just do /a. Next. We'll just search for A. There we go. A color, A visited color. Okay, that's where we need to do this. And we're going to go to Coolors. COOLRS. Sponsored, sure, whatever. The super fast palettes generator. Accept, close, start the generator. We can just close that. How do I paste something in here? Nice. Now lock this one and show me some new things. There we go. That's the one. Now let's go back to this thing here. Okay, now we go back to this one, Python and Pelican. Well, what's going on? Dot slash choose your own lesson. Slash Python and Pelican. There we go. Now we can go to my page here. Hey, nice. Now it remembers. Now it remembers which ones I've already clicked. Oh, and when I'm clicking on it, that shows what color it would have been if I hadn't clicked it yet. Let's go to an incognito. So it won't remember that we've seen the links. Is that the right one? Installing. Yeah, that should be right. I don't know why it's being slow. Does incognito browser have a problem with local? Oh, hey, we got someone here. Chomsky Pedzoviator. I'm sorry, I'm going to get your name so wrong. It says, hello and nice beard, by the way. Hello, first time chat. Thanks for stopping by. Dot stands for any character. Okay, I see what the problem was. Why is this not doing what I want it to? What is the issue? Also, why can't I? Here we go. That one I haven't done yet. So, welcome to Learn Python by Making Music. Hello World. I do need a little help with the wideness of the video, it seems. So it says I have no questions taken in the anchor video. I want to get rid of these things. So let's go to. Wait, what is happening? Just copy this. Wait, what? Well, now it's working. Category lesson. Welcome to Learn Python by Making Music. I should make Twitch make a noise when there's a chat, because then I wouldn't miss it. You know what? This should say I have no further questions. Does that matter? I'm not going to worry about that for now. I think it's time for a stream break. So let's get that set up. What are we doing? Turn off the camera. Turn on the be right back text. Move it to someplace other than where it is right now. Hey, it fits right in there just about. Let's make it smaller though. Okay, cut that to there. Let's go back to. You know what? We can use this one. Wonder how long I let that sat before. I'm gonna pin that message. Customize time 20 minutes, sure. You know what? I think I'm done streaming for today. I've done a lot of streaming today. Yeah, let's call it. Um, bring back the camera though, just to bring it back. There it is. That's good. Wait for that to register on the screen. Any second now. Oh, I haven't applied it. That's why. It'll be, yeah, okay. It was like almost instant. All right. Goodbye, Twitch. See you later. How do I stop this thing? Right.